beneath us. They're between the towers, laying on the bottom. The majority of these gantries collapsed in the late 80s, early 90s. But they lay on the bottom, still evident. And occasionally we get a little ping back from our echo sounders to remind us that there is a lot of wreckage between the towers. It's made up of steel girders, ladders. You notice that the only tower that has the original boarding dock, if you will, still partially in place, is the searchlight tower. The ladders taking you up inside the tower through a central portal between all the legs. And then two ladders came down to the boarding dock, where barges would then go alongside, pass pipes up to perhaps fill the fuel tanks. And all the other gun towers, similar barge loading docks existed that allowed you to take boxes of ammunition straight up inside of those towers. We don't recommend anyone try and climb up on any of these towers. I know people have done so in the past, but these are decaying relics of the World War. And as we